Now to continuing coverage. A Roseville mom and her ex-boyfriend are now formally charged with murder and torture in the death of a 7-year-old girl.
Prosecutors say the abuse happened for months and involved two young sisters. ABC 10's Nazi Javid breaks down the charges in court documents.
And we're also hearing from the district attorney on what comes next.
As a human being and as a parent, you are horrified.
It's been 2 weeks since investigators say a 7-year-old girl was found unresponsive inside a Roseville home, later dying at the hospital. Her 5-year-old sister survived.
At this point, there's a total of 3 charges. There's the murder charge, along with a torture charge for the deceased victim, and then a torture charge for a second surviving victim.
Placer County District Attorney Morgan Gire says the child's mother, Jessica Savansky, and her ex-boyfriend, Rediquel Dupree, are charged together and were arraigned Monday. According to the felony complaint, prosecutors allege the defendants inflicted great bodily injury with, quote, the intent to cause cruel and extreme pain and suffering for the purposes of revenge, extortion, persuasion, and for a sadistic purpose.
It reflects the way in which the death was carried out, and it reflects certain sort of assaultive behavior that led up to the death of the victim.
Court records allege the abuse spanned nearly 7 months from June through December and involved both children. Both defendants spoke from jail previously, each blaming the other.
I've never seen Addie like that. She had raccoon eyes. It looked crazy, like her teeth would cringe. I never seen her like that.
Dupree claims Savansky harmed her children. Savansky admitted to her role to ABC 10's Jeannie Nguyen, but alleges Dupree also took part.
My ex was also beating on my kids too. He said, this is because my daughter, she had autism. So he was like, she's hecka bad, look at my kids. I discipline my kids. My kids aren't bad because I did at a young age. He was like, you just baby your kids, this and that. I was like, but my daughter has special needs.
But the district attorney says both are responsible.
We believe we can prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt against both individuals for the crimes that we've alleged at this point.
Gire also confirms the 5-year-old harmed, Amelia, is now safe.
The surviving victim is in stable condition. These are heartbreaking cases on every level, and we try our best to keep our eye on holding them accountable for what they've done.
I should have protected my kids better as a mom, but with
Nazi, thank you for that update. Both defendants remain in custody without bail. Their next court date is February 24th. The assistant public defender declined to comment. Stay with ABC 10 for updates.